Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here with my another video. This video is about some flat slippers which looks really beautiful with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It looks really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more beautiful. And watch this video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel, so also press the bell icon so you'll never miss any new update from my channel. And a flat slipper are a cozy like companion for your feet, soft, lightweight and easy to slip on and off. Like they are perfect for logging around the house, running errands, or even as a quick indoor shoe. With various materials like fleece or cotton, flat slippers cater to different tastes and preferences. They are also a great option for people with foot pain or those who prefer a more relaxed fit. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or just need a comfortable shoe for around the house, flat slippers are a great choice for you to choose with every kind of outfit. And for great comfort you can choose these flat slippers that can help you to look more graceful and beautiful even without adding some added height, and also give you a very comfortable kind of vibe. And as you see, if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video. Bye bye.